there, Tall Man Clan, welcome back. Today we are in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. We are at the I29 RV Superstore. We are going to be looking at a Durango Gold. This is the 358 RPQ. Let's do it! So as you come up to the front, you see there's huge pass-through storage, which is absolutely amazing. Let's not forget that their Gold series, the Durango Gold, has the drop frame. And so, in fact, here, see how the frame ends right there? That's actually the drop. That's what allows this front storage compartment to be so deep. There's a TV that will mount in here for you. It's just not on there right now. So that's nice for outdoor entertaining. Over here is where your batteries would go. This has solar on board already, which is great. You have a 6-point hydraulic leveling system. As you look up, there are 2 awnings. One that starts at the very, very front of this unit that goes to the far side of the door. And then there's another awning that's on this slide. As you're still looking up, you can see we have frameless windows. This has got a 2-year limited warranty, all kinds of stuff here. Hey, KZ just celebrated their 50 years. We missed it. As you see, all-weather insulation package, so this is a true 4-season. Asdel siding, love the Asdel siding, means there's no wood in there. It's a pressed composite, which is just amazing. Great for sound, great for heating and cooling. As we get to the back, here's the confusion, because this really isn't a toy hauler. But that's like a toy hauler ramp, isn't it?
It sure looks like a toy hauler, doesn't it?
Yeah, I'm confused. I'm sure y'all in the comments are gonna unconfuse me, but we'll see when we get inside. Come on. Over here, because there's that sort of ramp on the door there, on the back, your ladder to get up top is on the side. Oh, you do have the upgraded suspension, the Equiflex. Here's your connection point for your sewer, which is not under the slide. I absolutely love that. Right. Again, your power is up here. I'd rather see the power in the back, but it's okay.
I like the
a utility light out here, so when you're working at night, you can see.
Yes.
Yes. So many RVs don't have, really good outdoor lighting.
Right.
A lot of people pack up and have to go at night.
Yeah.
I have to wear a headlamp.
Yeah, because ours doesn't have things like that. I love it.
No. All right. Here's your wet bay. All right. So if you happen to have a leak, it's completely separate from everything else.
I like that.
I do. And there you go. Because look, hoses are going to leak. All right, and then the other side of your pass-through storage.
That is amazing storage.
And then you have your 2 30-pound propane tanks, okay, and your auto level system, which is a controller for it, which I love because, again, that means you're close to your truck when this is happening. As we come around to the front, this is sort of your utility area. Down below here, if you wanted to put a generator, mount a generator in here, this is where it would go. This is where your hydraulics are. This is why I call it your utility closet, right? It's where a lot of your utilities would be, okay? And if you're not, then you have more storage. Here's another little storage area up top. Not so little. It's little this way, but it's generous inside.
It's very deep.
All right, let's look at the weight, Lisa. This is a gross vehicle weight of 14,995 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 2,395 pounds. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
All right, so the pin box is your Rotaflex. All right, so upgraded pin box.
Very nice.
Only one thing to do. Go inside, come on. Look at this, Lisa.
Wow.
Right, we have opposing slides, so you have this gigantic inner space here.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
And I love the recliners in the back.
So here's my confusion. It looks like from the rear that it would be a toy hauler. Okay, because this is the back of the RV. That's where we were standing. It's not a toy hauler. What this is, that is a back porch.
Love it.
Just a porch.
With the sliding glass doors.
Exactly, sliding glass doors. There is a mesh there, screen. There's fencing that goes around it. So it's really a true outside elevated area.
Wow, I love that.
And people may say, well, wait a minute, you could use it. You could get something through the door. Well, maybe, but remember, these slides here and here are going to come in and meet. Mm-hmm. Okay? And so there's no place that is not a toy hauler. It's just sort of taking the technology of what they use the ramp for when they're not putting toys in as a porch and added a porch out the back.
To give you the wonderful outdoor space. I love it.
Yep, love it too.
Yeah.
So you have some cabinetry up top, Lisa.
Nice.
Tall man cabinetry.
Very nice.
All right. There's a ceiling fan right above my head too. Let's not forget that. I wish it was on right now.
You and me both.
Right. So you can see there are two recliners right here that are, you can move them around. This is a sofa. They put the sofa here instead of the recliners because the recliners are separate and can move wherever you want to have them. This does fold out to be a bed. Directly across from us is the entertainment area. So you got your fireplace, right, and a sound bar and a nice big TV. And of course, as you can see above there, there's some storage cabinets as well. You fit pretty deep, Lisa.
Look at that. That is huge storage, yeah.
And then right next to all of this, you get into sort of the kitchen area.
Right.
With a gigantic island.
I know, I love it. Solid surface. This is a single basin sink with a nice tall faucet. Love that. And it's offset the way you like it, so you can dry your dishes. Yes. Underneath here, we do have storage drawers. Love that. We have huge space underneath.
You can put your laundry, or your laundry. You could put your trash can down there. Right. I suppose if you want to put your laundry down there, you could.
And
hey,
look,
another dishwasher.
A dishwasher. An actual dishwasher, not one of the half ones that people say don't dry.
Right.
I love this.
Hey, real quick, do you guys want dishwashers in your RV or not? Leave a comment below.
Yes.
Right? Let us know if you like a dishwasher. And over here, you got, these are all residential appliances, by the way.
Yeah, absolutely. Look at that. The nice 4-burner stove with a huge oven. You can cook family turkey in there for Thanksgiving. Lots of counter space. This is solid surface. I love the window. Nice backsplash behind it. On each side of the stove, we have huge storage. Look at that.
Oh, hidden trash.
So maybe we don't want to trash under the sink.
Yeah, so maybe that is for the laundry. We're kidding.
And some storage there. No, but if you have, bottles of water and Cokes and things like that. Yeah, so we've got plenty more cabinetry. Look at all of this. We have...
Pull from the bottom.
Thank you. You could tell I was struggling.
Yep, convection microwave.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, we've come across this type of Frigidaire once before. It doesn't look like there's a door. So just in case y'all are freaking out when you see it, you just grab it from the bottom and open it up. Like the spice rack.
Don't get that panicked look like I had. Very nice. There's outlets on both sides over here. And then we have this huge refrigerator freezer. Look at this. Yes.
Now remember, there's solar on board. This is residential, so it's on an inverter. Oh yeah, water and ice in the door. Love the water and ice in the door.
I know, me too.
and
nice.
Freezing your remotes is good for them.
Lots of places for your ice
But again, the refrigerator's on the reverter, on the solar. Okay, so it's not 12 volt. It has an inverter, and the solar is powering it all the time. So you're good to go when you're driving down the road. So there's a nice pantry. Let's do the test. Oh, solid as a rock.
I love it.
Way to go, KZ.
I love it. And this is a tall area. Usually,
it is.
It's countertop height, which would be right about here.
It is tall, isn't it?
But you still have plenty of space for all your
go stand next to it real quick.
appliances.
Yeah, see, there's,
Now I'll stand over here next to this one, and my elbow is nowhere near it. This is a nice little armrest.
Tall man coffee bar.
Yes. And then we have drawers underneath.
Big drawers.
Yeah.
Big drawers.
Oh, that's not a drawer. That's an access panel.
Yep. It looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Like that.
And then we've got your cabinetry overhead.
All right, you do have some nook space up top. So if you want to put some knickknacks or tchotchkes or whatever up there.
Right? Okay? Nice.
I did miss the storage above the sofa. All right, don't do that. All right, we also missed the dining table. So we're just covering a few things here. This has day, night roller shades in it. So there's your day. So if you have those down, people can't see in. But if at night you want full privacy, you've got your blackout. This dining table does seat 4. You have 2 full-time chairs and 2 folding chairs. So let's go up, see what else we can see here. Oh, you know what time it is.
It's time for Tallman's Toilet Test.
All right, this is the first time you're finding our channel. I am 6'4", so use my height as reference as I'm walking around. And not only that, if it is your first time, you know what to do, right? Subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. And I just feel weird sitting on a toilet talking about this. Anyway, become part of the Tall Man Clan. It is free to you, and it really does help the channel. We would really and sincerely appreciate it. Thank you so much. So, as far as my height goes and sitting on this porcelain foot flush toilet, as you can see, there are no challenges for the tall people in the world, so definitely. All right, so directly across from me, you have your nice sink and countertop. And this is also solid surface, just like the kitchen. There's generous countertop space so you can put out some lotions and potions and things like that under mount sink, okay? Below, nice storage area down there. There's a little bit of plumbing in the way, but it's not bad. It's very well designed. And you've got your 3 drawers here. Above, there's no medicine cabinet. The glass is flush, the mirror. As you can see, you see your whole self. So you would have to put your medicines over here on that side. Okay. There's also storage over here. This would be a great place for towels, Lisa.
I would agree.
In fact,
a lot of towels.
It's the only place for towels. So that's where the towels go. All right, so let's get in the shower. Houston, we're in the bubble. So as you can see, I call it a bubble. It's a skylight. I don't have to be. I love the fact that I don't have to be standing in the bubble to have access to a comfortable shower. It's a decent sized space. It does have a bench back here, and it's a really big bench, so it does limit the standing space. Not bad. My bigger issue as a big guy is this back shelf, right? So you see the shelf, it goes all the way, which is nice, but it jets out about 3 or 4 inches. Now, when I close this glass, if I'm standing here, you know, I'll do it this way, Lisa, so you can see.
There you go.
I mean, I'm touching everything, so it's uncomfortable. So if you're a claustrophobic type person, this may bother you. I don't know what to make of it. I can't say a yes or no for me. I don't want to give it a thumbs up or thumbs down. But if you like the rest of the floor plan, you're definitely, if you're a big guy, you're definitely going to want to come check out the shower. Okay, so let's move into the master. Oh yeah, Lisa, this is pretty.
Yeah.
Okay, so this I believe is an RV King. Yes, 70. I can't get the full length of it because it's on a retractable device. Articulating. You think that's the correct word? Articulating, retractable.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm tongue-tied today anyway.
Me too.
Okay, so I believe it's RV King, 70 by 80. All right, beneath there are some drawers. Okay, there's 3 of them. They're all full. Now you can't lift up the bed because of that retracting system. Over here to the left of the bed though, Lisa, there's this little cubby area.
Oh, look at that.
I don't know, I mean, if you want to put your CPAP up in there or some shoes
Yeah.
or there's power, so that's great.
Right, so you
All right.
could use your CPAP
And
there.
same thing on the other side, there's power. I think that shelf there is meant for you to put your CPAP on, but aren't they thicker than that? I don't know. If you have a CPAP, tell me, would your CPAP fit on that shelf? So many things you all have to tell us in this video, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Would your CPAP fit on that shelf, and would you like a dishwasher? All right. Directly across from me is sort of the entertainment and dresser area. It's really well laid out.
It is.
You've got a TV up there with 2 flanking shelves. Beneath it, nice window with a countertop here. Fireplace down beneath with some drawers. I think that's a great place for the socks and underwears and stuff.
Right. I wonder if this lifts up. It does not.
It does not. No hidden storage there.
No.
And then in the front, we have this here, which is a place for storing things. As you can see, there's a power outlet there. And then this is where your laundry is supposed to go.
Oh, I love that.
Not under the sink.
Yes.
Okay. Here is where your washer dryer would go. You can get a stackable up in here. And so it would be up here in the bedroom. Oh, and you could see the 2 folding chairs?
Yes.
Those are the other 2 chairs for the dining room.
Nice.
Okay? And here's the other side of the closet, which is still unbelievably generous.
Yeah.
I like the fact that you can do a stackable on one side and then all your clothes on the other.
I do too.
Right, so many of the RVs that we see, you have a washer on one side and a dryer on the other, and it really does cut up the closet. I like how that looks. Speaking of how it looks, what do you think of the back porch idea? We've not seen an RV like this.
No, the only ones that we've seen with a porch have been actual
Toy haulers, right?
Not purposely for entertainment only.
Correct, and this
Love
is
it.
specifically for entertainment.
Yeah.
All right, let us know what you think of this design, guys.
Yeah.
You know, thank you so much for watching the video, Tall Man Clan. God bless you guys. We really do love you, sincerely. And until we see you all again on the road, be safe.